Welcome back to another amazing, potentially life-changing recipe. If you like muffins, you're in for a real treat for this one. If you don't have casein protein powder or a whey casein blend, don't you worry. Feel free to use 18 grams of whey protein only. If you find the final results a bit too dry, however, perhaps try adding 3 to 9 grams of applesauce to keep the muffin moist if you only have whey protein. I modified the original recipe a tiny bit just to make the muffins a bit lower in calories. Also decided to use cottage cheese rather than quark cheese like the recipe suggested. Mainly because in Canada I can't seem to find quark cheese anywhere. Also a little note here, for the decoration, I think it looks a bit funky to have blueberries on top. I wouldn't do that again if I had to do it again. I would just keep them in the batter. Yeah, just looks a bit weird, but it still tasted phenomenal. Give this one a try and enjoy. Alright, it's time to taste test this stuff. So let's try it out. Blueberry muffin. Wow. Alex, you did it again, man. You're literally a genius. If you don't know the channel, The Key to Fat Loss, you gotta go check it out right now. What are you doing with your life? If you like those low calorie recipes, especially sweet stuff, the most underrated channel on YouTube, for sure, trust me on this, The Key to Fat Loss. Link is in the description below. The video how he makes this. But check out his other recipes. This guy is a gem. Show him some love, show him some support. I don't even know the guy. But man, I can tell you every time he puts a recipe out, it's a banger. And this 60 calorie muffin is phenomenal. Like legit, it's unreal. Man, this is so on point. I can't believe it, man. Man, thank you for all your work, Alex, for real. Check it out, check out this recipe, it might just change your life. Alright, see you in the next one. Actually, before I go, I want to give this a rating. If I had to compare it to the real thing, this is for me at least an 8 out of 10. Honestly, if you give me this in a baking store, or I go to, in Canada we have Tim Hortons, or like, it's like the equivalent of like Dunkin' Donuts or whatever. If you gave me this in a store and I eat it, I'd be like, yeah, like this is legit. And this is even better because you really feel like the blueberries are fresh, and the tart is actually, I would like think this is unreal. The thing is that when you go to Tim Hortons, which is like a coffee chain in Canada, the muffins are 400 calories. This is 60 calories and it's mostly protein. And for real, like, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But if I go to a baking store and I get this and I'm like, it's a good muffin. Like, .5 out of 10. It'd be very hard for me to judge this like worse than a full calorie muffin. This is phenomenal. And it's also super nice because you can meal prep this. So you can have it for breakfast. You can warm it up in the microwave for like 10 seconds. And then boom, You have 3 muffins, 180 calories, a bunch of protein, and it tastes amazing. Like, you can eat this every day and you'll be freaking happy. So I just wanted to give a rating, an official rating. Thank you again, Alex, and thank you for watching this video. Give this a like, sub for more. Go see the Key to Fat Loss channel. Show him some love. Subscribe to his channel as well, because it's bangers after bangers. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.